colors. Red color, blue color, orange color, brown color, yellow color, pink color. Let's write the lowercase alphabets from A to Z. Pink color. A. A is for apple. Blue color. B. B is for ball. Orange color. C. C is for cat. Dark green color. D. D for dog. Yellow color. E. E for elephant. Black color. F. F for fish. Red color. G. G for grapes. Dark gray color. H. H is for horse. Brown color. I. I is for ice cream. Green color. J. J is for juice. Purple color. K. K is for kite. Light brown color. L. L is for lemon. Pink color. M. M is for mango. Dark brown color. N. N is for nest. Blue color. O. O is for orange. Orange color. B. B is for parrot. Dark blue color. Q. Q is for queen. Pink color. R is for rabbit. Gray color. S. S is for sun. Dark green color. T. T is for tiger. Red color. U. U is for umbrella. Dark pink color. V. V is for van. Green color. W. W is for watermelon. Red color. X. X is for xylophone. Ash yellow color. Y. Y is for yak. Black color. Z. Z is for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.